It's gonna be all bloopers and shit.
Oh my God! What are you idiots?
Take 38. Happy Halloween. At this rate, Halloween will be over with before we get this mother done. Bloop. Bloop.
Oh, we recording?
Yeah, we're recording.
All right, Phil, let's do this, man. I'll even lead it off just to bump it up. Helen's Hot Chicken, Jefferson Street, bomb. Everybody that needs to go eat hot chicken, go there. It done took over on my number 3 spot overall. I'm not going to go through the list today because it's too long to, even go through. Anyway, I'm going to pass it along to my boy, Stump, a.k.a. Stump Lecter.
Stupid. Hello. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat us. We're here to give our review on Helen's Hot Chicken today, and I must say it was excellent. Very good. They are ranked amongst my top 3 now. Sides was garbage, but the chicken was very good. Happy Halloween to everyone.
Helen's Hot Chicken. So now it's Hattie B's, Helen's, and then Moore's.
Facebook! I usually just stick with eating bananas. From time to time, I'll have a peanut butter and banana sandwich. I even enjoy banana splits and banana pudding. But today I tried Helen's Hot Chicken. I liked it. The sides were average. They weren't super cool, but they weren't poop either. They were just average.
Oh, God.
The potato salad, baked beans, and fries, average. The chicken, delish. Thumbs up on the chicken. I got it 5th, right behind Moore's, Hattie B's, Pepper Fire, Princess, and then Helen's.
Oh,
Thank you. Happy Halloween!
happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!